If you've been wondering what Tesla has been secretly preparing for the next chapter of electric vehicles, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the incredible lineup of machines Elon Musk says will help redefine transportation. From a futuristic pickup truck that looks like it escaped from a science fiction movie to a lightning-fast supercar, an affordable mass-market hatchback, and even a revolutionary electric semi-truck. Each one brings something completely different to the table, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly why so many people believe Tesla's biggest innovations are still ahead of it. For years, Tesla's growth has largely been powered by a handful of successful models that transformed the public perception of electric vehicles. What started as a niche company focused on proving EVs could be desirable has evolved into one of the most influential automakers on the planet. But Tesla's ambitions go far beyond the vehicles already on the road. The company has been working on several major projects that promise to expand its reach into entirely new segments of the automotive market. From high-performance sports cars to commercial transportation and affordable everyday vehicles, Tesla appears determined to build something for nearly everyone. The first vehicle attracting enormous attention is the Tesla Cybertruck. Few vehicles in modern automotive history have generated as much discussion before reaching customers. The moment it was unveiled, people either loved it or hated it, but almost nobody ignored it. Its unusual appearance immediately separated it from every pickup truck currently available. Instead of following traditional design language, Tesla created something that looks as though it belongs in a futuristic world decades ahead of our own. One of the Cybertruck's most distinctive features is its exterior construction. Tesla designed the truck using ultra-hard cold-rolled stainless steel, a material chosen for its durability and resistance to damage. The sharp geometric shape isn't merely a styling choice, it stems directly from the engineering requirements of the material itself. Combined with a towing capability reaching up to 14,000 pounds, the result is a truck that appears built to handle serious work while still turning heads everywhere it goes. The road to production hasn't been easy. After its original unveiling, the Cybertruck experienced multiple delays that pushed back its release timeline again and again. What was initially expected to arrive much sooner ended up requiring far more patience from eager reservation holders. Despite those setbacks, Tesla ultimately confirmed that the vehicle would finally make its way to customers, bringing years of anticipation closer to reality. Stepping inside the Cybertruck reveals an interior that feels just as unconventional as the exterior. Elon Musk once compared it to the type of truck a character like Neo from The Matrix might drive, and that description captures the atmosphere surprisingly well. Angular design elements continue throughout the cabin, creating an environment unlike anything typically found in a pickup truck. Even the seating follows the vehicle's geometric theme. The dashboard adopts an extremely minimalist approach, dominated by a massive central touchscreen measuring approximately 17 inches. Traditional buttons are kept to a minimum, reinforcing Tesla's philosophy of digital controls and streamlined design. A yoke-style steering wheel further emphasizes the futuristic feel. The spacious interior can accommodate up to 6 occupants, while the cargo bed offers roughly 100 cubic feet of storage capacity and measures over 6 feet in length, providing substantial utility for work and recreation alike. Of course, appearance is only part of the story. Performance is where the Cybertruck becomes truly impressive. Tesla plans to offer multiple configurations, each powered by a different motor setup. Buyers can choose between single-motor, dual-motor, and tri-motor versions depending on their priorities and budget. Each step up the lineup brings improvements in acceleration, range, and towing capability. The single-motor version sends power to the rear wheels and serves as the entry point into the Cybertruck lineup. According to Tesla's estimates, It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds while reaching a top speed of around 110 miles per hour. Moving up to the dual-motor variant introduces all-wheel drive and noticeably stronger performance. This version is capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds and can continue on to roughly 120 miles per hour. For buyers seeking the most extreme experience, the tri-motor Cybertruck sits at the top of the range. Tesla claims this configuration can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.9 seconds, an astonishing figure for a full-size pickup truck. Top speed is expected to reach around 130 miles per hour, placing it firmly among the quickest vehicles in its category. Pricing varies according to configuration. The single-motor model starts at approximately $39,900, while the dual-motor version begins around $49,900. The flagship tri-motor model carries a starting price near $69,900. Tesla also offers additional self-driving technology packages, while standard driver assistance features remain available across the lineup. Despite entering a competitive market populated by vehicles such as the Ford F-150 Lightning, GMC Hummer EV, and Rivian R1T, the Cybertruck possesses a unique identity that could make it one of Tesla's most successful launches. While the Cybertruck aims to reinvent pickups, another Tesla project is focused on pure speed. The return of the Tesla Roadster has generated excitement among performance enthusiasts worldwide. The original Roadster played a crucial role in establishing Tesla's reputation, proving that electric vehicles could be thrilling rather than boring. Now the company is preparing a dramatically upgraded successor. The new Roadster retains the spirit of the original but expands on nearly every aspect. Unlike its predecessor, it includes two small rear seats, transforming it into a 2+2 layout. While those seats may not provide generous space for adults, they add practicality that wasn't previously available. The vehicle also promises substantially greater driving range and dramatically improved performance. Visually, the Roadster embraces Tesla's sleek design philosophy. Its low-slung shape, aggressive stance, and smooth surfaces create a modern supercar appearance. Sharp headlights and sculpted bodywork contribute to an aerodynamic profile that looks fast even when standing still. Owners can also remove the glass roof panel and store it in the trunk, effectively transforming the car into an open-air driving experience. Inside, Tesla continues its minimalist approach. The cabin features a blend of premium materials and technology-focused design. A large central touchscreen serves as the command center for vehicle functions, while the dashboard remains remarkably uncluttered. Carbon fiber-inspired elements help create a sporty atmosphere, and Tesla's controversial yoke steering wheel makes another appearance. Beneath the sleek bodywork lies an extraordinary powertrain. Tesla expects the Roadster to utilize 3 electric motors, 1 at the front and 2 at the rear, creating an all-wheel drive system capable of delivering breathtaking acceleration.